For even more content and MP3s from UltraHypnosis, be sure to check out my Patreon page, link in the video description. Before listening to this recording, please make sure that you're either sitting down or laying down in a comfortable position, and that you're ready to relax and focus on my voice completely and totally. If you need a moment to get comfortable, please do so now. Now that you're nice and comfortable, let me explain what this recording is going to do for you. This recording is going to help you redirect your focus towards more productive things when you get distracted. Sometimes it can be tempting to get distracted. However, if you had, let's say, a reset button in your mind to reset your attention span, to make you redirect your focus towards what you should be focusing on, that would be something you would really want, correct? Because sometimes everybody needs just a little bit of help focusing. And hypnosis is really good at helping people make powerful, effective changes in their life. I want you to imagine for me right now how amazing it will be knowing that you can always redirect your focus on what's really important, and that it will be so easy for you to do so after you've been hypnotized. I want you to imagine this so clearly in your mind right now. Let everything else fade away, because in this trance, I am going to give you a hypnotic device, a type of suggestion, so that you can always reset your focus on what's really important. I will help you discover that reset button deep in your subconscious mind. I will help you be able to use it every single time that you need it. Imagine right now that you're pressing that reset button deep in your subconscious mind, and instantly you can feel everything changing. Your focus is being drawn towards what should be focused on, my voice right now. Just imagining pressing this reset button can have some very powerful effects. Imagine how powerful the effects will be when you've received the full hypnotic suggestion that I'm going to give you. Focus on this as you relax and drift, listening to my words, focusing on my voice. Now, in a moment, I'm going to ask you to close your eyes as you imagine pressing that reset button deep in your subconscious mind. When you press the reset button, I want you to focus completely and totally on going into trance. I want you to focus on being deeply hypnotized. Just relax now as I count down from 3 to 1. 3, ready to focus. 2, letting all other thoughts drift away. 1, press that reset button and close your eyes. Just drifting feeling so good as you focus completely and totally on being hypnotized. Let's try that again, shall we? I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and when I reach 3, you will open your eyes, okay? 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes, preparing yourself to focus deeper, preparing yourself to relax deeper as you drift, focusing only on trance in 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes as you press that reset button in your subconscious mind. Focus on going deep into trance. Focus on allowing your subconscious mind to accept this helpful and positive hypnotic suggestion. This reset button is a tool that you can use every single day. This reset button just gets more and more powerful every single time you use it. So just get ready to use it again in 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Take a nice deep breath in. Hold it for a second and press that reset button, closing your eyes, focusing completely and totally on being hypnotized right now. Because being hypnotized is all about allowing yourself to enter a state of focused relaxation. All you have to do is allow it to happen. Just keep on allowing it to happen. In 1, 2, 3. Opening your eyes, taking a moment to clearly envision the reset button in your mind, and now pressing it as you close your eyes, directing your focus towards being hypnotized. Because when you focus completely and totally on going into trance, it's very easy for that to happen. Focusing completely and totally on being hypnotized, just drifting. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes, ready to drop deep into trance, ready to just sleep. Deep, deep sleep now. Just drifting, feeling so amazing and so good. Keep on letting yourself go deeper and deeper, because deep in trance is where I can give you helpful and positive hypnotic suggestions. You always will be able to think of this reset button deep in your subconscious mind. Whenever you find yourself getting distracted from something that you want to focus on, you can just take a slow, deep breath in, close your eyes for just a moment, and press the reset button deep in your mind. Whatever you know that you should be focusing on, your focus will be redirected towards that thing. It's that simple. Just drift. Just relax. Your subconscious mind is very powerful, And your subconscious mind will always accept hypnotic suggestions that are helpful and positive. And this hypnotic suggestion will be extremely helpful. Just the idea of this reset button deep in your mind was enough to help you go deep into trance. So, your subconscious mind will eagerly accept this helpful, positive hypnotic suggestion because you want to be able to focus on things more easily. So from now on, whenever you find that you're becoming distracted, you can easily and effortlessly press this reset button inside your mind. You can just close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and press this button, resetting your focus towards what's really important. Now, I'm not going to keep you in trance for too long because I'm sure you're very eager to try out this new hypnotic suggestion. And be assured that the more you use this hypnotic suggestion, the more powerful it will become, because your subconscious mind wants to help you succeed. Your subconscious mind wants to make sure that you have the tools to focus on being successful. So now that your subconscious mind is familiar with this technique, I am going to wake you up from trance. I am going to count from 1 to 5, and when I reach 5, you will wake up and open your eyes, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, awake and alert, and ready to go focus on something important to you. 1. Slowly drifting towards wakefulness. 2. More and more. 3. Slowly becoming aware of your surroundings. 4. Almost there. And 5. Wake up and open your eyes, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, awake and alert.